Okay, so let's talk about the flooring. So we were very lucky that through a historian who's in the fire department in Detroit to this day, Cheryl found a job lot of flooring from the fire department headquarters. It's beautiful maple. It's stamped on the back, a brand and a date. In some spots the dates are to about 1911. So the overlap, of course, with the ambulance is just that early era of the Detroit Fire Department, but the flooring had gone through a lot. So Brant sanded it down, and then we were able to machine it to get a clean finish, and it taps together really beautifully. And the old way of these floors was there's a lot of thickness to allow for having to sand it over years so you don't hit the tongue. And yeah, it came in beautifully, polished up beautifully. We're really happy with it.
We hope to get everything done so that it looks like it did in 1927. We're putting in door frames today, and they're made of mahogany. They all need to be machined. And but when they're in there, they're going to look brilliant. Those windows had to be added because in 1937 they cut the top off and cut the windows off. And then when we put it back to its natural state, we had to add 8 inches all the way around all the supports, so we got the roof back up to where it belonged, and then we had a big space where the windows go. So we've made window spaces, and now we're going to use these things to trim them up. These also get trimmed around the doors, and it'll look like 1927 all over again.